So, ito na yung aming camping place. Wala akong nakikita. Si mama nakikita. Ito yung camping place. So, now mag-check-in tayo. Oh!
Hi everyone! So look where I am right now. Napapaligiran naman ako ng nature. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung paligid ko. Ayan. Where your hearts belong. Charang! Ayan. So, look at the beauty of the Switzerland. This is the one of the most popular places to go. Nakikita. So, ayan. Ito yung place namin. Ito yung locations namin. Ayan. So, magkakabit muna kami ng tent at para makapag-ano kasi masyadong mainit. So, kabit muna namin yung gamit namin. Parang, ayan yung gamit namin. Parang basura lang. Tinapon dyan. Pero ayan, magkakabit muna kami. Ating tent. Baby, pakita mo sa loob. So, lalagyan natin ito ng mga sapin sa loob.
Yeah, but first kasi mainit pa.
Oo, yan. Buksan lang natin.
I-open lang natin para yung air.
Ayan na, si Jian. Na nagubad na ng sapatos. At ako din. Baby, basa yung bote. Mamaya na po kami mag-aayos. Mamaya na kami mag-aano kasi ayusin pa namin yung tent namin. Then later, kakain kami and then like that. Ayusin lang namin yung tent namin. So hi everyone. Show lang namin sa inyo yung inside ng aming camp tent, ng aming tent. So, dala ko yung laptop ko, dinala ko rin yung tablet ko kasi nag-edit ako. Yung gamit namin. Ayan ito yung tent namin. Ito yung pillow namin. Ayan, dito si Gian, dito ako. Tapos, ito yung maleta namin. Yung mga gamit namin. Ito yung maleta namin. Ito yung mga, dito na namin nilalagay mga marurumi. Ito yung nasa ibabaw na to. Ito yung pajama kasi gagamitin na ni Gian. Tapos, ito yung susuotin namin bukas ng umaga kasi maaga kami. Tapos, ito yung mga malilinis namin. So, para separate yung malinis, tsaka yung madumi. Tapos, ito yung aking mga kit. Nandito rin yung aming thermos. Nandito yung aming for lotion, and ayan, shampoo. So, ayan, ito yung aming mga madumi. Yung aming medicine kit. Siyempre, daan yan kasi para hindi siya mainitan. Aming mga cable para hindi mapapasa. Tapos yan, electric fan, something. Tapos yung laptop, dito rin namin yung talagay. Tapos, so dito sa side ko, sa side namin, ito yung bag na ginagamit namin pag maalis kami in the morning. Ito yung bag, ito kay Gian, ito yung sa akin. Baby, ilawan mo nga. Tapos doon yung aming food.
Mawalok mo.
Ano yan, ganyan yan. So parang, ano yan siya. Dito yung aming sapatos. Binabalot namin kasi madumi, syempre. So, syempre hindi namin pwede yan ilap sa labas kasi baka umulan. Pero pinapasok namin sa loob sa gabi. Alis ka nga dyan yung ano mo eh. Napasok namin sa gabi kasi baka umulan. And para hindi rin siya madumihan kami dito. So, naka-plastic yan. Ito yung aming slapsack. Tulog kami. When we sleep, tulad dyan, si Gian. Ito yung kabuuan ng aming tent. So, ayan, sa uluhan namin, gamit, sa baba, dito kami natutulog. Ayan, ready to lay down na yan. So, ayan, ito ang aming camp tent. Ayan, si Gian.
Hi!
So, ito na. Bye-bye na, everyone. Salamat. Good night. Matutulog na kami. Bukas kasi maaga yung aming lakad ni Gian. May pupuntahan na naman kami. So, ito na yan. Ready na yung mga gamit namin na needed. Ito, dun sa akin, ito sa kanya. Ready na yan. Yung food namin, on the go na lang din to. Yan, on the go na rin yan. Hindi masisira yung pagkain namin niya. More on kasi prutas naman kami ni Je&Ce. So, ayan na. Bye, everyone!
Bye! Ang dark agad ah.
Sleep na kami.
Ano
Bye-bye.
Kala
Sleep
ko
na po
like ko.
kami.
Good night.
Good morning, everyone. This is our first day in Rütti Camping. Hello, Jian. Making our breakfast. So it was so grateful to wake up in this kind of view. This is our first day, and I was so very blessed. Open my eyes seeing this kind of view. And ayan, praise God for the goodness of the Lord, for the nature giving to us. So for us, and it was nice because it was so cheaper here to accommodate. It was so cheaper. The price was cheaper, and it was so cheap. And they had hot water for shower for a lowest price, and it was so great. Yeah. And good morning. So today we're going somewhere, and we're going to prepare many things, and we're going. So enjoy our day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is our breakfast. My coffee, my itlog, my bread, and banana, and peach. And the jeon is going already to eat. And then we wait for our hot water for our cup noodles. Ayan. And Jeon is waiting. Hindi pa nagsusuklay si madam. So, kain lang kami mga ka-blissful ha. Hi everyone! Look at our location right now. Dito sa aming camping Rütti Camping. And it's already 9:30. Medyo madilim na. Ganda. So, ayan oh. Yung location namin. Ito yung mga tent. Tingnan nyo out sa upstairs. Ang ganda oh baby. This is right now. Ayan. Ang ganda oh baby. Ang ganda ng place oh. Ang daming kulay. Naglipat kami ng ng tent namin.
Hindi naglipat, dinner lang na.
Sige na. Sige na. Naglilinis kami ng tent. Sige lang.
Ay, nagsubi. Ba't hindi natin ang small? Hindi naman naman. Ang lango mo.
So, ayan mga ka-blissful. Nandito na naman kami sa tent na namin. And it's our 2 nights. So, ito yung
Second night, this is our food. I love gurke.
yan. Meron kaming gurke, peach, and banana, egg, serbela, and bread. Ayan. So, ito yung pagkain namin. Tapos mamaya magko-coffee na lang and something dessert. So, this is our 5 days. So, kain na muna kami, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Yan.
May more parts pa, but now we're gonna eat.
So, this is our So, so far, na-enjoy naman namin. Kain na tayo, baby. Pray ka muna.
Come on, pray.
Ikaw na.
Come na.
Wait lang ha. Mag-pray lang kami. Ayan na mga ka-blissful. We've been done packing our things, our tent. Yeah, and this is the time to go home. Sangkalan, see you, and goodbye to the place, to the beautiful place of Stekenberg here at the Lauterbunnen. Obey and God bless you all, mga ka-blissful. Bye! So,
travel again. Around 4.5 going to Sangkalen. But we're going to tour around, you know, the Dora and the boat is always go around.